Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color Bluey and her family.
Let's start drawing.
To start, let's draw Bingo. I start with her eyes. Then I draw her nose like this. And her smiling mouth. I draw the shape of her head and her eyebrows too. Then I draw her ears in the shape of a triangle. Now we continue with her body. She is holding her arms like this. Bingo is Bluey's younger sister. She is 4 years old and she has red hair like her mother. I'm going to draw Bluey. I start with her eyes. Then I draw her nose like this and her smiling mouth. I draw the shape of her head and her eyebrows also. Then I draw her ears in the shape of a triangle. Now we continue with her body. I draw her arms. Bluey is a 6-year-old blue heeler puppy and he loves to play. Behind Bluey, I'm going to draw Bluey's dad. I start with his eyes. Then I draw his nose like this and his smiling mouth. His name is Bandit. He is an archaeologist and he loves to dig up bones. He is a devoted father but a little tired. Now I continue with his body. I draw his arms. Finally, I draw his patches around his body. Last but not least, I'm going to draw her mom. Her name is Chili. I start with her eyes, then I draw her nose like this, and her smiling mouth, and her eyebrows too. After having her children, her mom recently returned to her job at airport security. Now I continue with her body. Finally, I draw her patches around her body. A blanket. Let's draw the bed. And then the pillow. Let's draw a blanket. Now let's decorate it like this. Amazing!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
First, I color Bluey black. To start, I'm going to use cream around the nose and also on her inner ears. Then I use dark blue around her eyes, for her ears and patches. Then I use this blue marker. Finally, I use this light blue marker for her hair. Now let's color Bingo. I use this light cream color at first. Then I use this brown marker around her eyes and also for her ears. Finally, I use this light brown marker. Dark brown. Red. Let's color Bandit. To start, I'm going to use cream around the nose. Black. He has the same color fur as Bluey. Then I use dark blue around his eyes, for his ears and patches. Then I use this blue marker. Finally, I use this light blue marker here. Last but not least, I color Chili. I use this light cream color at first. She has the same color fur as Bingo, and also for her ears. Dark brown. Finally, I use this light brown marker. Then I use orange for her pillow. red. Purple for her bed. I color her blanket with yellow. Awesome! What a nice family!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.